Very good evening, everybody. So let us start with today's lecture. And it is so good that you all are submitting your homework in a timely manner and everybody is doing it correctly. Here and there, some little mistakes are there only for few students. Otherwise, they have done correctly. And we have learned that how to compute the taxes. And we also know that we have, when we have total income, right? So let's say a client comes to you and he says that my total income is, let's say, 13 lakh. So how much taxes I have to pay? So your first question should be, please ask him that are you having any special income? So he might not be knowing what is special income, but you have to ask him that from where you are getting this 13 lakh. So if you find that if there is any triple one A, then it is taxable at a special rate. What is the tax rate of triple one A, guys?
20%.
It is 20%. Very good. So it is 20%. So let's say this, you are sitting in your office. It's a Monday morning. You're sitting in your office. This guy came to you and he says that I have an income of 13 lakh this year. So please compute my taxes. So please ask them from where you are getting the income. So he says that I have a small shop in Coimbatore and I have income mainly from business. Okay. Ask him, do you have any income from some other sources also? He says, he will say, yes, I have a bank account where I am getting interest income. He will say, okay. Ask more. Are you getting any other income also? So he will say, yes, yes. Actually, I have a demat account. You all understand what is a demat account? For shares. It is just for shares. I'll tell you what about the demat account later. But it is for shares generally. Whenever you purchase shares, you have a demat account. So he will say, Arey, boss, I have a demat account. And actually, I am selling shares also. I part time do this also. And I have sold certain shares. And I have made a income of rupees 2 lakh from it. Okay, then you will ask me when, then please ask him when you have purchased these shares, is it long term or it is short term? So it depends. So let's say he is saying that my income is 13 lakh, then you have to first, I would like to say that please first analyze that how much is a special income. Because on special income, there is a special rate of tax, and on normal income, what is the tax rate, guys, on normal income? Slab rate, right? For an individual, it is slab rates. Everybody is clear, na, till here? Guys, anybody has any doubt in the last two lectures?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So we all understand what is an SSE. We all understand that what is a total income. We all know about the tax rate. Now we little bit know about that there is something called as long-term capital gain. We also know there is something known as short-term capital gain. Although don't worry, we'll be doing this in detail in the chapter of capital gain. But we have a little bit idea that something is known as long-term, something is known as short-term. And what is a long-term capital gain? When you get your long-term capital gain, when you sell any asset after how many months?
24 months.
24 months. Like we can say 2 years or 24 months, right? So if you sell any, so Harini, you voted their debentures after 25 years. So it would be long term. Oh, sorry, 25 months, it is long term, right? After 24 months, it's all long term. Harini, got it now? So there was debentures after 25 months, it will be long term. Okay. So you know something about long term, there is something about short term. You also know that long term gain is divided into two parts. What are the sections, guys? Section 112, other long term, 112A, long term on equity shares. So they both have 12.5% tax rate. But what is the difference? In 112, we have 12.5 flat, but in 112A, we give an exemption of how much amount? 1,25,000. After that, over and above, it is taxable at 12.5%. Okay. Guys, if I ask you that let's say there is a person, this person, you're sitting in the morning, you're sitting in your office, you open the office, you're just sitting, you are having your coffee, and this person, a client comes to your office and he says that my total income is, this person is saying, my total income is rupees 5 lakh in this year. In this year, 25-26, he has earned 5 lakh rupees. Am I supposed to pay taxes? He's asking you, am I supposed to pay taxes? Please tell me yes or no. So this person is asking you, am I supposed to pay taxes? Please tell me, guys, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. And how much tax he has to pay? On 1 lakh rupees.
5,000, sir.
On now he is saying that my income is 5 lakh rupees, and I'm assuming he's a normal income. So we understand that how much tax he has to pay. We will give him a basic exemption limit. Guys, what is the basic exemption limit? How much is the amount?
4 lakh.
4 lakhs.
4 lakh. You all agree now that up till 4 lakh we don't have to pay any taxes. 0 to 4 lakh is no taxes. Guys, if somebody is on unmute, please mute yourself. There is a person who is on unmute. Okay, now 4 lakh is the basic exemption limit. Again, repeating, you're sitting in your office. Imagine you're sitting in your office. This person comes. He say that my income is 5 lakh rupees. Okay. Am I supposed to pay taxes? You will say yes, you are supposed to pay taxes. But on 4 lakh, we will not take tax from you, but you have to pay taxes on 1 lakh rupees. How much? 5%. So 5,000 would be your taxes plus 4% health and education cess. So on 4 lakh, this person is not supposed to pay taxes. Okay. Guys, everybody write an example for me. Everybody, example. So we understand on 4 lakh, we don't pay taxes, right? Now, compute the tax liability of Mr. What's his name? Let's say Anand. Individual assessee. So compute the tax liability of Anand. Imagine, guys, practically everything you have to look, you have to feel practical. So Anand came to you and he says, compute the tax liability of Anand. His short-term capital gain is rupees 5 lakh. And everything is coming from 111A. Entire short term is 111A, and he has no other income. This guy has no other income. This is his total income. Understood? So his income is 5 lakh rupees. Now, guys, don't do it over here. Just do it on the rough. Just tell me how much taxes he has to pay. Just on your rough page, just scribble it and tell me. Don't do it here. Don't do it here. Tell me how much taxes he has to pay. So this person is saying, I don't have any other income. I'm not doing any business. He's saying that I am not doing any job. I don't have a salary income. This person is saying that I am not having any other sources income. I have only capital gain income. I have sold some shares and it is short-term shares. 5 lakh is the income I got it from there. What is my tax liability I have to pay? You will say, yes, you have to pay taxes because it is 5 lakh rupees income.
1 lakh 4,000, sir.
Okay. So you are telling him that you have to pay tax 1 lakh 4,000. Everybody got this 1 lakh 4,000?
Yes, sir.
1 lakh 4,000. 1 lakh 4,000. 1 lakh 4,000 you got. Okay. How you got it? You have done it in rough. How you got it? You said that what is your special income? Your 111A, 112. Remember? 111A, 112, 112A, casual, and normal income. Now, his 111A is 5 lakh. 112 is no. 112A is also 0. Casual income is also 0. Normal income is also 0. Because entire income is coming from 111A. You might have done like this, that 5 lakh at rate of 20%. Everything else is 0. So 5 lakh into 20% is 1 lakh rupees. plus 4% is the health and education cess. So 4,000 is the cess. So 1,04,000 is the tax liability. This is how everybody you have got this amount, 1,04,000. Now he is asking you, he has a doubt. He's just sitting in front of you. He say, okay, I have to pay 1,04,000 rupees, but I heard that first 4 lakh is not taxable. He will say that I heard that first 4 lakh is not taxable. Tell me whether whatever he has heard is correct or not correct.
Not correct. Correct.
Okay, someone is saying not correct, someone is saying correct. Inia, you are saying not correct. Why you are saying not correct? Try and not try. You might be wrong, doesn't matter. Try, just try.
Question again.
Okay. He's saying he's your client, right? He's just sitting in front of you and he's saying, ma'am, I have heard that first 4 lakh is not taxable. And what you are doing is you are taxing my entire 5 lakh rupees. You are taxing my entire 5 lakh rupees at rate of 20%. And you are saying 1 lakh is my taxes plus 4,000 is the health and education cess. You have taxed every amount which I earned. But I have heard that Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman said in her budget, he's actually telling you, I have heard that Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman has said in her budget that up to 4 lakh, nobody has to pay taxes. So why I am paying tax on my entire 5 lakh? My first 4 lakh should be exempt. Please tell me, whatever he is right now giving you the reason, is it a correct reason or not a correct reason?
It was not the exact reason.
Shankara, can you repeat?
It was not the exact reason. Only normal income only can be exempted up to 4 lakhs.
Okay, very good. So Shankara is saying that okay, it's okay that 4 lakh is exempt, but only normal income is exempt. This is not exempt. So he will say, sir, anyways, this is a hardship on me. This is a hardship on me that everybody else will get 4 lakh rupees exemption, then why not me? Why not me? I should also get 4 lakh rupees of exemption. Out of this 5 lakh, only 1 lakh should be taxed and 4 lakh should not be taxed. The same thing which you have just told me, that 5 lakh out of this 4 lakh should be exempted, only 1 lakh should be taxed. And guys, whatever he's saying, he's actually correct. He's actually correct. We should give him the benefit of basic exemption limit. We should give him a benefit of a basic exemption limit. This benefit is given to certain people. This benefit is only given to certain people. So what we will do is, I understand that this 111 is a special income. This 111 is a special income. But still, we should give him a benefit of 4 lakh rupees from this special income also. So now, you can leave few lines. I believe that you have not made it over here. You can leave few lines. This is known as special provision. Special provision for an individual assessee or an HUF assessee also. These two people will get this benefit. So this is a special provision for individual assessee and HUF assessee, provided they are, plus they should be resident in India. They should be resident in this year. Please write it over, resident. Now, what is resident in India? Sir, is it same like citizen of India? No. It is different from citizen of India. Guys, the next chapter, we are doing chapter number 1 right now, right? Chapter number 1 is introduction. Introduction, we can also call it basic concepts. Chapter number 2, that will start after 2-3 classes. It is about residential status. I am right now telling you only this thing as of now. More I will tell you later, but it deals with residential status. Actually, there are 2 types of residential status. it has nothing to do with citizenship. Anybody who is born in India is a citizen of India, we understand. But will he be a resident or non-resident? Guys, residential status in this chapter, I'm just giving you a summary of this chapter in 30 seconds as of now. Although this will take 5 classes, but as of now, I'm giving you a summary in 30 seconds. Residential status, what does it mean? A person can be a resident. Don't write anything. A person can be a non-resident. How? If a person stays in any year, if he stays majorly in India, majorly means that we have 12 months, right? 12 months. So just make it half, 6 months. So if a person stays more than 6 months, so if a person stays, don't write anything, guys. I'm just giving you a summary in just 30 seconds or 1 minute. Let's say, for example, let's say Rudra. He is a citizen of India. Rudra, where you were born? Coimbatore or somewhere else?
Sir, Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Okay, she is born and brought up in Coimbatore. She is a citizen of India. Everybody agree? She is a citizen of India. Let's say she is a citizen of India, but I am not concerned with citizenship. Let's say in this year, 25-26, how many days are there in a year? 365 generally. If it is not a leap year, 365. Just do the half of 365. What is half of 365? Just do the half. 182.5. Got it? 182.5. But means majorly. So if Rudra in this year, she is more than, don't write anything, guys, more than 182 days in India. Roughly, I can say 6 months. What is 6 months? 6 months into 30 days, 180 days around. So almost 182 days. If anyone is in India for more than 182 days or more, that person is called as resident. This person is known as resident. Imagine Rudra in this year, she was here only for, let's say in India, she has a, let's say for example, she is working in US. She's working in New York with a company called Microsoft. But she came to India this year and she was here just for 10 days in India. Then what she will be, although she is citizen, I don't have to do anything of citizenship. Now she will become what? She will become a non-resident. Guys, have you got an idea? Only 30-second summary. If a person is majority living in India in that year, that person will become a resident. And if this person is living in India for a shorter period of time, let's say less than 6 months, in other words, I can say less than 182 days, then that person will become a non-resident. You got a little bit of idea what is resident, non-resident?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why we are doing it? What is the purpose of it? Don't worry, I'll tell you in that chapter. Why we are doing it? What is the purpose of it? I'll tell you in that chapter, because I have already said that chapter will take 5 classes. Okay, now, is it possible that this year Rudra is staying in India only for 10 days, so she will become a non-resident? Is it also possible that in the year 2024-25, she was here in India for 200 days? Then what she will become in this year? She was more than 182 days. So what she will become?
Resident of India.
Right, resident of India. So can I say like this, that the residential status can change every year?
Yes, sir.
It will be
Yes,
be fixed that once you will become a non-resident, for lifetime you will become a non-resident. Guys, it is not citizenship. See, once we are born in India, we are Indian citizen. We understand, and permanently we are Indian citizen, right? But I'm talking about not citizenship. I'm talking about residential status. So residential status can be different every year. I'm not saying every time it will be different, but yes, it depends on your stay in India. How many days you stay in India? If majority you are staying in India for more than 6 months, precisely 182 days or more, then you will become a resident. Otherwise, you become a non-resident. Please tell me, let's say there is a person, Paul. He is born in Chicago, US, not an Indian citizen. But in this year, 2025-26, starting from 1st April 25, ending till 31st of March 2026, that is this year, he was in India for 184 days. What he will become? Resident. Got it? He will become a resident. So residential status depends on your number of stay. It has nothing to do with your citizenship. So I have just introduced there is something called as resident, non-resident. Okay. Now, coming back, this special provision is only and only given to an individual or a Hindu undivided family. As of now, you just write HUF and forget about it. So this provision is only applicable to an Hindu undivided family or to an individual, provided they are resident. Guys, if they are non-resident now, then your answer is correct. We will not give the benefit of 4 lakh rupees to a non-resident. So if your Anand is a non-resident in this year, then your answer is 100% correct. Then your answer is 100% correct. We will not give him a benefit of 4 lakh rupees. His special income will be taxed entirely flat. However, if this person is a resident, and generally, guys, please tell me, if a client comes to your office, you are sitting in your Coimbatore office, let's say, and this client comes to your office, generally, he's looking like that he's a Tamil guy, right? He's from Coimbatore or somewhere else. What you will presume? He is a non-resident or he will be a resident? Please tell me. What generally you presume?
Resident.
Resident. Let's say for example, Shri Nanda. She has not told me that whether she is resident, non-resident. What I'll presume? That she is a resident. Correct now? So I'll presume that resident. Now, if the question is silent, always presume that the assessee is a resident assessee. Right? Enough of resident, non-resident, that we will do in the next chapter. But now, if this answer 1,04,000 would be 100% correct if this person would be a non-resident. But generally, we presume that the assessee is a resident unless and until the question gives me. Now, the special provision for individual or HUF, if this normal income, how much is the normal income, guys? Here, 0. What is the basic assumption limit generally? What is the basic assumption limit? 4 lakh. 4 lakh. And how much it is written over here? 0. What is the difference? 4 lakh. Entire 4 lakh is the difference. So if there is a difference, we call it unexhausted basic assumption limit because you are not using your basic assumption limit. How much is the difference? That is called, let's say for example, there would be, as of now here it is 0. So what is the difference? 4 lakh. So 4 lakh is called as unexhausted basic exemption limit. Write this word. I'm introducing a new word for you. This is unexhausted basic exemption limit. Everybody please write it. Unexhausted basic exemption limit. What does it mean? Written? What does it mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means, now how much is the unexhausted basic exemption limit? It is nothing but, you can write it over here, it is nothing but the difference. The deficiency. Difference. What difference? The difference between your basic exemption limit and here. So please tell me, let's say right now here it is 0. So guys, what is the difference? 4 lakh. This is called unexhausted basic exemption limit. Let's say, for example, normal income would be 1 lakh. Can you tell me what is the unexhausted basic assumption limit? 3 lakh. If there would have been 2.5 lakh, what is the unexhausted basic exemption limit? 1.5. If there would have been 3.8 lakh, what is the unexhausted limit? Unexhausted 20,000. Are you all understanding what is the difference? Now, guys, we have to give him an advantage till 4 lakh. We have to give him an advantage for 4 lakh because we don't want to tax him in the initial for first 4 lakh. Can you tell me if the normal income is also 4 lakh? This is also 4 lakh. What is the difference? Zero. So there is no unexhausted basic exemption limit. Now, what will happen is if right now, and guys, everybody, please now start writing. Whatever you are looking at the screen, now start writing. Total income is 5 lakh. Your 111A, your 112, 112A, casual income, normal income. 111A is 5 lakh. 112 is 0. 112A is 0. Casual is 0. Normal is 0. Now, I'm presuming that this person is a resident. In fact, you can write it over here. Even if the question is silent, we'll assume it as a resident, but still I am writing it over here that this person is a resident assessee. Guys, we have to fill this difference. We have to fill this gap. We have to give him the advantage of 4 lakh. So what we will do, we can fill this gap from these three capital gains. We can fill this gap from these three. We cannot fill this gap from casual income. That I'll explain you with another example. But first of all, how much is the difference? Guys, how much is the deficiency? 4 lakh. What I'll do, I will subtract 4 lakh from here and I will move 4 lakh here. Minus 4 lakh plus 4 lakh. I will subtract 4 lakh from here. Go slowly guys. For one or two example, go little slow. After that, we'll pick up the pace. Subtract 4 lakh from here and add 4 lakh from here. Now, what will happen? This will become how much? Everybody, 1 lakh. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this will become how much? 4 lakh. Now my basic exemption limit has been filled. The gap has been filled. Unexhausted limit has been taken care of. Now compute the taxes. Now the taxes would be on 1 lakh at a rate of 20%. 20,000. 112 0, 112A 0, casual is 0, and here up till 4 lakh, tell me, apply slab rates over here. Apply slab rates over here. And on first 4 lakh, how much is the tax? Nil. 0 to 4 lakh, nil. So how much is the taxes he has to pay? He has to pay tax of rupees 20,000 only, plus 4% health and education says 800. So his tax liability would be 2,800 would be the tax liability. So we will give an advantage. We are giving a benefit. I understand you might be having this doubt in your mind. Sir, 111A to it is directly taxable at 20%. I understand. It is directly taxable at 20%. But the assessee who is sitting in front of you, your client, will say, ma'am, sir, I heard that first 4 lakh we don't have to pay tax. So you will say, yes, we will give that benefit. But we give this benefit to whom? We give this benefit only to a resident. If you are a resident in India, we will give you the benefit. If you are a non-resident, we will not give you this benefit. So if you would be a non-resident, then I would not have done this. Simply your last answer, 1 lakh 4,000, which you have said, was correct answer. 1 lakh 4,000, I think 1 lakh 4,000 you said. So that was the correct answer. But if you are a resident, individual or HUF, we will give you the benefit. So please write it over here. If the normal income is less than basic exemption limit. If the normal income is less than basic exemption limit, then such deficiency can be taken from 111A, 112 and 112A. Just write it. I'll explain with the example. Just write this. I'll explain with the example. Then such deficiency can be taken from 111A, 112, 112A. Leave one line. This benefit, this is the benefit. This benefit is only available to resident. This benefit is only available to resident individual or resident HUF. Let me know if you have written this.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, I'll give you some 2 or 3 examples and we will first make this concept stronger. Okay. Now, write second example for me. Now there is another client who comes to you and he says, example, what is the name of other client, guys? Give me the name, any imaginary name, boy or a girl. Compute total income. Give me the name now. Okay, Miss Radha. Compute the total income of Miss Radha. She has salary income of rupees 1.2 lakh. She has capital gain income of rupees 10 lakhs. 111A is 60,000. 112 is 1 lakh. 112A is rupees 9, not 9, 8 lakh. And her total income is 11.2 lakh. This is the total income. Okay. This is the total income. Now let us do it here itself. Everybody written, I believe. Have you all written this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Those students who can come on camera, please do come on camera. Give some company to Harini. So Yalini was there, Shankara was there, and you went off. Okay. Now, everybody, same concept. Guys, don't deviate from the concept. Don't deviate from the concept. Same concept. Simple. 111A, 112, 112A, casual income, and the normal income. Okay. How much is 111A? 60,000. How much is 112? 1 lakh. How much is 112A? 8 lakh. Casual income is, we don't have the casual income. Tell me how much is the normal income?
2,80,000.
2,80,000. Is it? I think 1,80,000.
1,60,000.
1,60,000.
1,60,000. Very nice. So 1,60,000. What is the basic assumption limit?
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
Please write it
4
over.
lakh.
4 lakh. Guys, don't jump into just calculating it. First, I would like you to make your concept strong. Then we can jump. We can fly also. No issues. But initial, whenever I give you any concepts, na, for 1, 2, 3, 4 examples, we'll go very slowly, like a snail. After that, we can fly. No issues. Now, please tell me, guys, if that concept would not be there, if that concept, the concept which we are just discussing, it would not be there, what you would have done? You have taken 60,000 at a rate of 20%. You have taken 1 lakh at a rate of 12.5%, and you have taken this 8 lakh also at 12.5% in excess of 125. So how much you are taxing? You are taxing everything. So how much you are taxing? 8 plus 1 plus 60, 9,60,000 you are taxing, and you are giving her only 1,60,000 as the exemption. But she will say, oh, no. She will say that I want that out of my 11.2 lakh, I need 4 lakh rupees. I will not pay tax. Guys, understand it. Very, very minutely understand it. It's very easy. So she will say that I don't want to pay tax on my first 4 lakh. So she is willing to pay tax only on 11.2 minus 4 lakh. How much it is? She is willing to pay tax only on 7.2 lakh. She is saying 4 lakh, please don't tax. 4 lakh, please don't tax. Please tax only 7.2 lakh. But we are taxing how much? We are taxing 9.6 lakh, which is unjustified to her. What we will do? Tell me, guys, how much is the unexhausted amount? Tell me how much is the deficiency. It has a different names. Unexhausted limit, deficiency, difference. You can call it any. How much is the unexhausted amount?
2,40,000.
2,40,000.
2,40,000. So she says that on 160 I will also not pay tax, and 240 I will also not pay tax. Total 4 lakh I will not pay tax. Okay. So we'll say okay. So from where we will take it? We can take it from here. First we will take it from 111A. Guys, I need 2,40,000. Deficiency is 240. First move from 111A. But can you move 240 from 111A, or only 60,000 is there? Only 60,000 is there.
60,000.
So what we will do? Okay, whatever is there, take it. Whatever is there, take it. So I will take 60,000 from here, and I will add 60,000 here. Move it. Move from here to here. Just move. Still there is a deficiency. How much? 180. Still there is a deficiency now? 180. Because earlier it was 240. 60,000 has been filled. 180 is still there is a deficiency. From where we will move? 112. Okay. Move. How much we can move, guys? 1 lakh only.
1 lakh.
So 1 lakh here, subtract. Here add 1 lakh. Correct? Still there is a
Yes, sir.
deficiency. How much? 80. Correct? Na? 80.
1,000.
So 80,000 will move from here plus 80,000. Now my deficiency is fulfilled. If you will add it up, how much it is? Is it coming as 4 lakh, guys? See? 4 lakh. And how much are these amount? This is 60. No, sorry.
0.
This is 0, correct. Sorry, this is 0. This is how much? 0.
0.
This is how much? It is
7,20,000.
720. This is 0, of course. So we have 111 is 0, 112 0, 112 is 720, and normal income is now 4 lakh rupees. Now, guys, do you remember what I was telling you? That she will say that on my 4 lakh rupees I will not pay tax. So if you subtract 4 lakh from it, so what you will get? Only 7.2 lakh. So on 7.2 lakh she is willing to pay the taxes. So on 7.2 lakh she is willing to pay the taxes, and she will not pay tax on this 4 lakh. And this is what you have given a genuine justification to her. You have given a benefit to her. So only her 720 would be taxed, not any other income. But yes, 112A, we have one more benefit. We have one more benefit, 125. That though she will get. So how much it will be taxed? Here the tax rate would be 0. Here tax 0. And here how much? 12.5% in excess of 125. So we will get of 112A. So 720, 125, 590.
75, sir.
Is it 74,375?
74,374.
Very good, guys. And this is 0. And on 4 lakh, how much is the tax? 0. So her tax is coming as 74,375 plus 4% cess.
2,000.
77,350.
Very good. 2975, 77,350. Already rounded off, so no requirement to round off. So this is the tax liability. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have few questions, or you might have some doubts. Everybody has written it. First of all, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, initially, how much was the deficiency? 2.4 lakh. Okay. So you can ask me, sir, there is a deficiency of 2.4 lakh. You said that we can move this deficiency from here. Sir, here we have only 60. Here we have 1 lakh. Here we have 8 lakh. So why we are doing it first from here, first, then from here, then from here? We can directly take, don't take it from here, directly take 2,40,000 from here. Correct doubt? Correct. Sir, we have 8 lakh over here, so directly take 240 from here. Okay. So this is the doubt you might have. Now, let me clarify. For example, I tell you a story, an incident. Let's say, Juhi. Juhi was one day, I gave Juhi a gun. This is Juhi. Juhi. Example, right? This is Juhi. I gave her a gun with 1 bullet. So she has a gun plus only 1 bullet. And what she has to do is, she has to cross a forest. It's a forest, right? It's a forest. And she has to cross this forest. And it's a night, it's quite dark now. And she has to cross this forest. And I told her that in this forest, there are some wild animals also, some monsters are also there. Okay. So some monsters are also there. And you can use 1 bullet only on 1 monster. Only on 1 monster you can use your bullet. Okay. Now let's say when she was crossing, it was some 9:30 p.m. at night, quite dark. And she was crossing this forest. She found 2 monsters. She found 2 monsters who are just standing in front of her. Monster, this was this monster, and the second monster was like this. A small monster or a big monster? Juhi, my question to you is, to whom you will shoot first? Which monster you will shoot first?
The bigger one, sir.
The bigger one. Everybody? Harini, your answer?
The smaller one, sir.
A smaller one you will shoot first. Why?
Completing smaller ones is better than going to a big one, sir.
No. Even, see, I would say, Shankara, what do you say? Laksh, Mandy, what do you say, guys? Which monster you will shoot first? Tell
Who
me
is
now.
approaching near, sir?
No, they both are standing at equal distance, and they both are staring at you. To whom you will
Then I
shoot
kill the
first?
first big one, sir.
The bigger one. Okay. Shivatsan, what's your opinion?
Bigger one.
The bigger one. Actually, Harini, I will also shoot the bigger one because see, bigger one is quite dangerous, right? So with smaller one, though, we can fight also. In fact, without bullet, we at least we have gun. At least we can use it as a stick. We can fight with him also. But for the bigger one, we can't fight with a stick, right? So actually, we should shoot the bigger one first. Correct. So always, guys, whenever you have to shoot someone, or let's say, for example, you have to nullify someone, always solve the bigger problem first. Right? This is the bigger thing. Let us shoot this guy first, and then for the smaller one, we will take it afterwards. Please tell me, there is 111A and 112. Guys, who is the bigger monster? Who is the bigger monster? For as an assessee, as a taxpayer point of view, who is the bigger
111A,
monster?
sir.
111A. Why 111A? Because they tax.
Tax
Tax
percentage.
Because they tax at a rate of 20%. Let's say I have 1 lakh rupees of income. 111A will say 20,000 you have to pay. 112 will tax at how much? 12.5%.
12.5.
So if you just compare them, so who is the bigger monster? 111A is the bigger monster. 112 is comparatively much smaller monster than 111A. Okay. Can you please tell me, out of 112 and 112A, who is bigger?
112.
112, sir.
Very nice. 112. Because it takes flat at 12.5%, whereas this person takes at 12.5% in excess of, at least they give me a benefit of 125. So out of these two, this person is the bigger monster. So can I say, if I just actually arrange them in a descending order, that who is the bigger one? So 111A is the biggest. 111A is the biggest monster, and 112, and then 112A. Guys, that was the reason I was telling you in the last class, that I will tell you the reason that why we put them in order. Everybody understood why we put them in order? Because here now, guys, please tell me, when you are shooting them, see what is shooting? You are decreasing their income. You are shooting them now, you are nullifying them. You are nullifying them. You nullified them, and how much it got after this difference? It became zero. You nullified it completely. You shoot them completely. 112, you shoot them completely, and then after that, whatever the money you have to use, you use it on 112A. So please tell me, what would be the better idea? To take directly 240 from here, or first we should take from 111A? First we should take from 111A. So whatever it has, please shoot that 20%, because this monster is taxing you at 20%. This monster is taxing you at 12.5%. This monster is also taxing you at 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. So out of these three, this one is the biggest. So please always shoot him first. So this is actually the correct approach. So if you are taking just 2,40,000 from here and you are not shooting them, no, your tax liability would be more. And if your tax liability would be more, your client will not be happy. And if your client will not be happy, he will not pay you money. And also the examiner will also not be happy. So he will say, no, this chartered accountant is not a good chartered accountant, because he is actually calculating the taxes of his clients, which is unnecessary high. So you have to do such a planning. Are you just are you doing some tax avoidance? Are you contravening the law? No, you are not contravening. It is allowed that whenever there is an unexhausted limit, whenever there is a deficiency, we can move from here. Now, the last doubt which you might have, sir, this is the biggest monster, sir, because it is taxing at 30%. Now you might be having this doubt. So this is the biggest monster, sir. In fact, it is much bigger than 111A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I am sorry, guys. This monster has having a bulletproof jacket. I can't shoot him. So this guy has a bulletproof jacket, guys. I can't shoot him. In casual income, I'll tell you, in IFOS, we can't reduce our casual income. Casual income, though, government will say It is your what? It is a kind of your windfall gain. Lakshana, you are here. No. Everybody, casual income is something which is your windfall. It is like your windfall gains. So if you are earning so much, so we need tax. You can't shoot even 1 rupee from here. You can't reduce even 1 rupee from here. It has a bulletproof jacket. So that is the reason it is standing at last, because we can't shoot him. He will to eat it. He will eat us up. So he will. What do we mean by eat? They will eat us. It means that they will levy 30% tax directly. So we can't reduce them. Let's say, for example, it is 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. We can't reduce even one penny out of it. We have to pay tax 30% anyways. Okay. With this, next example. Compute tax liability of Mr. A. House property income 65,000. PGBP 80,000. Capital gains 9,50,000. 112 is 1,04,000. 112A is 8,22,000. That's it. 65,000 plus 80 plus 950. What is the total, guys? 10,95,000. Everybody compute the tax liability. And if nothing is mentioned, we always assume that Mr. A is a resident, non-resident? Resident. Try. Give me the answer. Now this is 111A, same thing. 112, 112A, casual, normal. 111A is we don't have. Everybody, do yourself. 112 is 1,04,000. 112 is 8,22,000. Casual income we don't have. And normal income is your normal income 169?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So how much is the deficiency? 231.
Yes, sir.
So this deficiency we can meet from 111A, but we don't have any 111A. Okay. Then we'll come to 112, but we can take only 1,04,000 from here. So 1,04,000 here would be moved to 1,04,000 here, minus from 112 plus from normal, plus to normal income. And still we have a deficiency of 1,27,000. We will move from here. Plus 127. So this is 0, this is 0.
6,95,000.
71,250.
Okay. So now the tax rate would be at rate of 12.5% in excess of 125.
Yes, sir.
71,250, sir.
Very good. 71,250. Here tax is 0, here tax is 0. So everywhere tax is 0, 71,250. Then plus 4%
This is
health and education.
2,850, sir.
Very nice. 2, 8.
74,100. 74,100, sir.
Okay. Very good. This is the tax liability. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lisha, Nivitha, Sani, Deepa, Prishika. Everybody's
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now we'll actually increase the speed, right? I'll give you the time bound. You have to solve within that time. Correct now? You have to increase the speed now. Okay. And but be very alert. You don't have to make a mistake. We have to be quick, but at the same time, we have to be alert. Don't make a mistake. Okay, this is very, very important thing. First of all, you should be conceptually strong. Second, you have to pick up your speed because you have to complete your paper within 3 hours and it can be completed. But if you go very slow, it will not be completed. Okay, now, example. Compute tax liability of Mr. C. He is a resident. And if even nothing is mentioned, so always assume resident. We will take up question of non-resident also. Don't worry, I'll take up question of non-resident also today. So this person has a PGBP income of 70,000. This person has capital gains which is of 1 lakh, and entirely it is coming from no okay 111A 60, 112 35, and 112A 5,000. Guys, don't just write 111A 112 112A in your mind. You should assume practically. Guys, how he has earned 111A? What is the nature of 111A? What he might have sold? It's a
Short-term
capital.
capital.
Short-term capital.
Correct. He has sold equity shares. He has sold equity shares, and which are short term in nature, which are sold in less than 24 months, right? So he has sold equity shares and he has gained how much? 60,000. What is 112? Other long term.
Other long-term.
Other
Right?
long
He
term.
might have sold house, he might have sold gold, he might have sold land, any other assets. Then he how much he gained? 35,000. So in this year, he has also sold equity shares, that is long-term equity shares, and how much he gained? 5,000 out of it. And he has IFOS income also, which is 14 lakh. And out of this, 13.8 lakh is casual. 13.8 lakh is casual. So what is casual income? He might have been to any
Fall
game
gains.
game show, correct? Game show, lottery, betting, casinos. These are casual incomes. Online gaming, guys. Online gaming. You all understand? Give me some example of
Rummy.
online gaming apps.
Rummy circle, sir.
Roblox, sir.
Okay, so many Dream 11 and Rummy Circle. So many. These are also all casual income. Don't worry, I'll tell you then IFOS. Now, how much is the total income he has?
15 lakh 70,000.
15 lakhs 70,000.
15 lakh 70,000. Okay. So he has 15,70,000. Please, guys, compute the tax liability, and I am giving you 3 minutes. It is 3 minutes is more than enough for you as of now. 6 p.m. Before that, I need your answer. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Wherever you stuck, don't worry. Just give your answer. It could be right, it could be wrong, doesn't matter.
Sir,
Sir, 4,30,560.
4,30,560.
4,30,560. Okay, those who have
560.
very good.
Same, sir.
Okay, those who have not still doing, please keep on doing it. Please keep on doing it. So you have given me in 2 minutes. Very nice, guys. It's 6:05. Okay. So how you might have done this? Let me check. So you would have done it like this: 111A, 112, 112A, casual income, and my normal income. So you say that my 111A is 60, my 112 is 35, 112A is how much? 5,000. Casual income is 13,80,000. Tell me how much is the normal?
90,000.
90. Okay. So there is a deficiency of 3,10,000 because my basic exemption limit is 4 lakh. So the difference is 3,10,000 is the unexhausted basic exemption limit. It is unexhausted basic exemption limit. Okay, 3,10,000. So 3,10,000 is unexhausted. There is a deficiency. I will take it from here. Okay, I will take 60,000 from here. 60,000 will be here. I will take 35,000 also from here. 35,000 will go here. I'll take 5,000 also from here, and 5,000 will be here. And now I cannot take it from my casual income. From casual income, so you have to pay 30% tax. It is with a bulletproof jacket. He will eat you. 30% he will take. Now still there is a deficiency. Why? Because if you will do the total, how much it is coming?
1,90,000.
1,90,000. Very good. It is 1,90,000. Still there is a deficiency because 4 lakh, still there is a deficiency of 2,10,000. Sorry. Still there is a deficiency of 2,10,000 is still the deficiency. But what you can do, you can't do anything. So here the deficiency will lapse. So here you can't do anything. So here it is now 0. This is 0. This is 0. And this is 13,80,000 only. And this assessee, this person will not get the benefit of 2,10,000 because everything, if we will give them a benefit of 2,10,000, we have to move it from here, and which is not possible. So now he has to pay tax on this amount only. So 30% of this amount is 4,14,000.
14,000.
Correct. Plus 4% cess. So after 4%, you are getting 4,30,560. So everyone, you all are correct. Anybody has any doubt? Please do ask. I'll wait for 10-20 seconds. Anyone has any doubt? Please ask. Okay. Everyone. Next example. Mr. A has Mr. A has long-term capital gain of rupees 10 lakh. Compute tax liability. When I say long-term capital gain, it means other long-term capital gain, right? When I say long-term capital gain, it means other. Specifically, I will tell you 112A if it is there, right? Equity shares, 111A or 112A is very, very specific. Otherwise, everything is other. So it is other long-term capital gain, and he does not have any income. He does not have any income. Guys, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. He has no other income. He has long-term capital gain 10 lakh. 2 minutes to you.
78,000.
78,000.
Very good. 78,000. Everybody. 78,000. So what you will do is now we will not make all those special income. Whatever we have, we will make it. Now, his total income is how much? Total income is 10 lakh. Now the first one is 111A. Do we have 111A? We don't have 111A. Now I will not write it. It was just for initial examples. Now I will not write it. If I don't have that income, but I will have to write in that order if it is there. But if it is not there, then I'll ignore. Do we have 111A? No, we don't have 111A. Do we have, next is 112? Yes, we have 112. Do we have 112A? No, we don't have 112A. Do we have casual? No, we don't have casual. And then the normal income. Normal income, so you have to write. Now, how much is my 112? It is 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
How much is my normal income? 0. How much is the deficiency? 4 lakh. 4 lakh is the deficiency total, because 4 lakh is the basic assumption limit. 4 minus 0 is 4 lakh is the deficiency. Can we move from our capital gains? Yes, we can move it. We cannot move from casual income, but we can move from other incomes. So I will move 4 lakh from here and I will add 4 lakh over here. So this becomes 6 lakh. This becomes 4 lakh. Now the tax on 6 lakh, it is 112. So it is at a rate of 12.5%. So I believe you are getting 75,000 here. Here the tax is 0. Slab rates. So 75,000 is the taxes plus 4% says 3,000. So you got 78,000. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Same way, let's say this person has long-term capital gain of 10 lakh. If I give you another example, and for this example, you have 30 seconds. I'll give you another example. Please write. Mr. A has casual income 10 lakh. 30 seconds. He has casual income 10 lakh.
3 lakh 12,000.
3 lakh 12,000.
3 lakh
12,000.
Very good. 3,12,000. Because what he has, see, what he has, 111A, no. 112, no. 112A, no. Casual income, 10 lakh, yes. Normal income, 0. Normal income, 0. Correct? Now, I'm not even writing now. Normal income, 0. Is there is a deficiency? Yes, there is a deficiency. Yes, there is a deficiency. But now we cannot move from casual income. We don't have those anything in 111A, 112, 112A. We don't have anything. We have only in casual income, but we cannot fulfill our deficiency from casual income. So on 10 lakh, so we have to pay 30% tax. So 10 lakh into 30%, the tax would be 30% of 10 lakh, straight away 3 lakh, plus 4% health and education cess, which is 12,000. So this would be 3 lakh 12,000 is my tax liability. Guys, are you able to analyze that A, let's say this person is B, A is also having 10 lakh rupees of income. B is also having 10 lakh rupees of income. They both are earning equal, but they are paying different taxes. Are you able to analyze it? They are paying different taxes. This person is paying only 78,000, whereas this person is paying 3 lakh 12,000. So it depends upon the nature of your income, that what type of income you are earning. So your tax liability can vary. Your tax liability can differ. Everybody okay? It can differ. It can be different. Understanding it? So if you will see 10 lakh, this person is also earning. 10 lakh, this person is also earning. But it depends upon your nature of income, that what type of income you are earning. So here we will pay tax, have to pay tax on every penny. So 10 lakh, 30% taxes we have to pay. Okay. Last example on this, and then we'll move to the next concept. Example. Compute tax liability of Mr. C, and please write in bracket that he is a non-resident. He's a non-resident in this year. Correct? He's a non-resident in this year. And he says that my house property income is 1 lakh. My capital gains is 12 lakh. From 111A, 150. From 112, 60,000. From 112A, 10 lakh. IFO is 2 lakh, and everything is casual. Everything is casual. So his income is 14, 15 lakh. Guys, 2 minutes. 6, 18. 15 lakh, he is a non-resident. Non-resident is also paying tax on the slab rate. Now this person is a non-resident.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, there is a mistake, sir. Capital gains only 12 lakh. So if we add, we get 12 lakh 10,000.
Okay. Correct. Give me a moment. Let us make 112 as 40,000. Everybody please rectify. Correct. It is 40,000.
So couldn't it be other short-term gains?
No, actually it was going beyond. It was going above 12 lakh. Na? So I had made a mistake there. So it should at least be less than 12 lakh only. Na? Then also, because otherwise it was coming as 150 this, 60 this, and 10 this. So it was coming as 1210. So it cannot be 12 lakh, right? Now there is 10,000 other short-term capital gain. Everybody
So 2,15,000 month.
2,15,100.
50 per 150.
Okay.
Two
You,
lakh 12,550, sir.
2
So
lakh.
2,12,550.
This everybody's telling me this, or 2 lakh
2,12,550.
550. Okay. Others.
So 2,12,550.
Okay. Inia. Okay. Others. Laksh, how much you got? Sani, how much you got? Vetish,
2,12,000.
2,12,550 or 12. Okay. Okay. So you might have done like this. Okay. On 111A, 112, 112A, and casual income, and then the normal income. Now 111A is coming as 150. 112 is 40,000. 112A is 10 lakh. Casual income is 2 lakh. And my normal income is, I believe, 1,10,000. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, normal income is 1,10,000. Balancing figure, simple balancing figure. Now, what is the basic exemption limit? Again, the basic exemption limit for non-resident individual is also. So this person is an individual, but he is a non-resident. Guys, why he is a non-resident? Because why he is a non-resident? Because his stay in India during this year would be less than 6 months, less than 182 days. So that is the reason he is a non-resident. Rest we will see in the residential status chapter. So now there is a deficiency. Yes, there is a deficiency. But can he will be getting the benefit of this deficiency? No, he will not be getting any benefit out of it because he is a non-resident. Only resident assessee, resident individual, resident HUF can get this benefit, but he will not get the benefit. So now we will compute our taxes normally. We will not do any movement over here. We will not do any movement over here. So here it would be 20%, which is 30,000. Here it would be 12.5%, which is how much? 5,000. Here it would be 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. Is it 109,375? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here it would be
Yes, sir.
30%. 2 lakh into 30% is 60,000. And here though up till 4 lakh we don't have to pay any taxes, 0 to 4 lakh. So here it would be nil. So we will not move any deficiency. This provision is not for non-resident. So for non-resident, we will do simple. So if you will do the total, you are getting 2,04,375. My calculation is correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
So 8,175 is the health and education cess, and 2,12,550 is the correct answer. This is the tax liability. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, we'll do one more concept and then we'll wrap up for the day. So today what we have learned about the unexhausted limit. Okay. Now there is one more concept in income tax. The people see every time budget comes, right? And mostly whenever we present budget, whenever the finance minister, the ruling government, they present budget, so they make it friendly for the people. They try to make it as friendly to the people. it could not be over friendly. Obviously, if it could be over friendly, then we will say taxes would be zero. So if taxes would be zero, how will the government will get the revenue? And government will not be able to do their job, right? Because they have to, they need money for different kind of things which they do for the economy. So obviously they need taxes. We can't abolish the taxes altogether. India is not a rich country so that we can abolish the taxes, because Indian government needs taxes. They need revenue. But still we would like to make it as friendly as possible so that it should not pinch a common person. And also government, why they want to make it friendly? Because obviously if they will make it more friendly, then the people of India, the citizen of India will say that yes, government is doing so much of us for us. Next time also we will vote them. Next time also we will vote them. So every time when the budget comes, guys, it is not necessary. It is the only parameter is the financial things, the numbers. No, the parameter is also the vote bank. The parameter is also the vote bank, because they would like, because next time also whenever there would be elections, they would like to be get elected. So BJP government also wants, NDA government also wants that we should get elected in next term also. So they, every time whenever they present budget, they came out with different type of advantage to the common people. So they, especially for a common person, don't write anything, they would like to give one or two benefits to them. So one of the benefit is known as rebate. So there is a benefit which is known as rebate. What is rebate? Rebate means a discount. Rebate means, generally if we will see the meaning of rebate in the dictionary meaning, what is this? This is a discount. That whatever is the taxes we have to pay, we will give you a discount on that. What is this? That you have to pay less taxes. So let's say if somebody is supposed to pay, let's say if somebody is supposed to pay 50,000 taxes, then what we will say, if you fulfill certain condition, then we will give you a discount on your taxes. We will give you a rebate on your taxes. So what we will do, you will get a benefit of rebate. So you can subtract, you will get a discount. Let's say you get a discount of, let's say 40,000 rupees. So how much taxes you have to pay after the discount? Only 10,000 rupees. So people will be happy. They are getting a discount. But don't use the discount, guys. Discount is just, I am right now using it just to tell you that rebate is nothing but a kind of discount. But please use the term rebate. In income tax, we will use the term rebate. It is a kind of discount. So few years back, they came out with a section. The section number is 87 capital A. No need to learn the number, but we will be using it so many times that you will be able to mug it up, the section number. The section number is 87A. I'm talking about a rebate. Few years back, they came out with this section, and generally in almost every budget, this time they have not changed it, but generally in every budget, they used to increase the limit of this discount. So what is the discount right now? What is the rebate right now for our examination? Now, let us write the concept of rebate. Everybody please write it. Rebate. To whom it is given? It is rebate. First of all, it is given under section 87 capital A of the Income Tax Act. Even if you forget the section number, we are okay with it. No need to learn the section number. But since we will be using it many times, so you will be able to learn it. Rebate under section 87A. It is available to only for resident. Because most of the benefit, they are only to resident, not for a non-resident. So this is also only for resident assessee. Who? Which type of resident? Resident individual only. This is only for resident individual. I'm writing HUF also over here, but please write and then cut it, so that you should know that 87A is not for HUF. Unexhausted benefit was given to HUF also, but this is only and only to individual. Write the HUF and cut it. So what is this rebate? How much discount you will get? First, guys, do you think, let's say you are a finance minister Do you want to give this discount to very rich people or to common people? Common people means not very rich. Please tell me to whom you want to
Common.
give this discount.
Common people.
Very nice. Common people make sense now. To common people, will just give this discount, not to rich people. So they said that the people today is this 87A was introduced some 6-7 years back, and it was changed so many times. What is the latest right now? I'm telling you that, which is applicable for our examination. So they say that it is available to a common people. It means only resident individual whose total income, they have set a parameter. They have set a parameter whose total income should not be more than 12 lakh. So where the total income is up to 12 lakh. So if your total income is up till 12 lakh, you will get this rebate. You will get this discount. So they have set a parameter of 12 lakh rupees. If your income is more than 12 lakh, sorry, you are not eligible. But if your income is more than 12 lakh, what is 12 lakh? A lakh a month, 1 lakh a month. So if you are earning more than 1 lakh a month, it means that you are rich. We will not give you this benefit. But if you are earning exactly 12 lakh or less than 12 lakh, we will give you the benefit. Okay, just write an example that whether you will get the benefit or not. Example, there is Mr. A, there is Mr. B, there is Mr. C, there is Mr. D. A has total income, sorry, I'm writing it here. So his total income is rupees 10 lakh. Guys, available, not available?
No, sir.
Available, na? Common people, not more than 12 lakh, so available. His total income is 10 lakh only, na, this year. Got it? Sunita, Bhuvan,
sir.
you were saying no? Got it, na? Anyone
Yes.
was saying no? Got it? So he is available. For rebate is, whether rebate is available, please write yes. Okay. There is Mr. B, whose total income is exactly 12 lakh. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Available. We will give them rebate. We will give them the benefit of this section. What is rebate? First, we will calculate your taxes. After that, from your taxes, we will give you a discount. How we will give that? We are studying. Okay. There is Mr. C, whose income is rupees 6.5 lakh, but he is a non-resident. Please write non-resident. His income is 6.5. Yes, no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, vote bank. See, non-resident might be sitting in US. He might be sitting in New Zealand, Australia. So why he will come to give the vote? So let us not give him this benefit. Obviously, na. So why we should give this benefit to a non-resident? Let us not give him. So the answer is no. He will not get this benefit. So he has to pay tax on 6.5 lakh. No discount for him. Okay. Mr. D has an income of 3 lakh rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Although yes, but I will say that not required, because anyways his tax would be zero. Possibly that his taxes would be zero, so not required, but still I would say yes, he is available. If I will write HUF, there is any HUF and they have income of 9 lakh, available, not available? No.
Not available.
If I will write, there is a partnership firm, although if you don't have space, don't write it. But let's say, for example, if I write partnership firm, they have income of 6 lakh, available? No, not available. It is only for individual. If you don't have space, don't write it. A company? No. Not to any other SSC, only and only to individual, not for any other SSC. Correct? Although we don't have to do for any other SSC, that is not in our intermediate level, but still it is not available to any other SSC. It is only for resident individual, nobody else. Provided his total income is up till 12 lakh, but if your income goes beyond 12 lakh, then you will not available. It is not allowed. So let's say, for example, there is Mr. E. He is a resident, but his total income is 13 lakh. Available or not available?
Not available.
Not available. We will say you are a rich assessee, you are earning more than 1 lakh rupees per month, more than 12 lakh rupees, so it is not available to you. Okay, very good. So now you are getting a little bit idea that this rebate is available to what type of assessee. Now, how much is the rebate? Now please write it over here. How much is the rebate? We will say A, tax on income, tax on your income, or B, rupees 60,000, whichever is lower. Tax on your income. If you have little bit space over here, please leave it. I have to write some words over here. If you don't have it, it's okay. But try to leave some space over here. Tax on your income or 60,000, whichever is lower. So again, I'm repeating. So they have given me an amount. Whatever is your tax on your income or 60,000 rupees, whichever is lower, will give you the rebate. Note. Point number 1. And leave 2 lines for that. Leave 2 lines for that. And we will do an example before that, and then I'll write those lines. Leave just 2 lines. And everybody write an example for me. Now there is a person, example. Now again, you are sitting in your office. Imagine you have a good office, right? Good cabin you are sitting, and this person is coming and he says that my income is 11,50,000. So let's say compute the income tax liability of Mr. X. So this Mr. X came to your office. He says that my salary income is, let's say, 8 lakh, and my income from other sources is 3.5 lakh. So his total income is 11,50,000. So his salary income is 8. His IFOS is 3,50,000. So his total income is 11.5. Good. First of all, calculate his taxes. So his taxes will be solution. So this guy is now sitting in front of you and you are calculating his taxes. Solution. His total income is how much? 1150. Very good. And now what you will do, you will again see the same thing, whether he has any 111A, whether he has 112, whether he has 112A. I'm writing it all here only because he does not have it. Whether he has any casual income, no. What he has? Normal income. How much is normal income? 11,50,000. There is no 111A, there is no 112, 112A casual income, nothing is there. So he has 11,50,000 rupees as his income. He has 11,50,000 rupees. Calculate the taxes.
Sir, 55,000.
Tax on above is 55,000. Everybody got this? First 4 lakh nil,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
next 4 lakh 5%, 20,000, and next 3.5 lakh 10%, 35,000. So 20 plus 35 is what? 55. Now, guys, Health and education cess is the last step. Health and education cess is the last step. So first you will give the rebate, then at the last you will add your health and education cess. So from this text, this is the text of 55,000. Now, first of all, tell me, is this a person, a common person, a common person? Is he eligible for rebate or not?
Yes,
Is he eligible for rebate?
Yes, sir.
If the question is silent, what we assume, resident or non-resident?
Resident.
Resident. We always assume resident if the question is silent. And this person is a resident. Okay, what is my rebate conditions are? Only available to resident individual? Yes, he is an individual, Mr. X. He is a resident. If nothing is mentioned, resident. Whose total income is up till 12 lakh? Not more than 12 lakh? Yes, his total income is not exceeding 12 lakh. Up till 12 lakh, eligible. Above 12 lakh, not eligible. Okay, so if this person is eligible, so we will say, okay, we will give you the rebate. So how you will write it? Less. See, whenever you get a discount, now you subtract it. Now the same way you will subtract it over here. No rocket science. Same logic. Less. What you will do? Less rebate. Under section 87A. So we'll subtract rebate under section 87A. How much? A, tax on income. Please write so you will be able to learn it. Tax on income. Or B, rupees 60,000 is the maximum limit. So how much is the tax on income? 55,000
55,000.
or 60,000, whichever is lower. 55,000. So you will get a rebate. What are you doing? You are subtracting it now. Less. So what you will do? Try, guys, whenever you are subtracting in now, try to write in a bracket. Try to write that amount in brackets so that you should not make the mistake in exams also. The exams you can identify because there will be so many numbers. So you will be able to identify that yes, this digit I have to subtract. So this is less 55,000. Guys, what is his tax? Nil. So his tax liability would be nil. I will not add 4% cess. Why? Because it will again be nil. Cess 4% health and education cess is always at the last figure. So here the last figure is already nil. So 4% I will not add, it will be nil. So please tell me, guys, they have given an advantage. Have you heard it last year when you were in class 12 or in graduation? So first year, second year. So you might have heard now that up till 12 lakh people were saying that up till 12 lakh we don't have to pay taxes. Do you remember, guys? By any chance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
so yes, till yesterday, till second class, I told you that up till 4 lakh there is no tax. But today I have told you that beyond 4 lakh there is taxes. But because of rebate, because of section 87A, so now you get to know, because last year when you heard that there was in the news channel, on the YouTube videos, everybody was saying, hey, very good news, up till 12 lakh we don't have to pay tax, up till 12 lakh. So this is nothing, but they were talking about rebate under section 87A. So I believe that you have understood a little bit. Okay, just guys, one or two more examples. Can I proceed? Everybody done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, one or two more examples and then I'm tired and then we'll wrap up. Okay, next example. Compute tax liability of Mr. Y. Compute tax liability of Mr. Y. And his income is rupees exactly 12 lakh. His income is exactly 12 lakh. And guys, when I am not giving you any special income, always assume that this is normal income. See, if I am not mentioning 111A, short-term capital gain on equity shares, I'm not mentioning long-term capital gain, I'm not mentioning casual income. So assume that this is coming from your normal income only. So please tell me tax on above. Tax on 12 lakh.
60,000.
Very good, 60,000. Entitled for rebate? Yes. Rebate under section 87 capital A. 87 capital A. How much? A or B? What is A? Tax on income and fixed limit 60,000. What is the tax on income? It is also 60.
60,000.
Fixed limit is also 60. Whichever is lower, they both are equal. Okay, but we have to take whichever is lower, so they both are equal. We can take any one of them. 60,000. So how much is the tax? Nil. His tax liability would be nil. So the people who are earning 12 lakh, the people who are earning 12 lakh, they don't have to pay any taxes. This is what you heard. But guys, what we heard in news, what we heard everywhere, it is just for a common person, not for us like chartered accountant, not for us like me and like you, because we know the tax in depth. So generally, people were very happy that up till 12 lakh they don't have to pay tax. Up till 12 lakh, they don't have to pay tax. The scenario is little different. Let us understand that also. First of all, tell me, everybody is clear till here, till with this example, till this example.
Yes, sir.
Myself, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please, yes, please.
Sir, you said that you are studying Income Tax Act 9, old Income Tax Act, no, sir.
Correct.
This like 12 lakh we don't have to pay tax. This was the announcement made in last year, no, sir.
Okay.
So why are we following that? Like it comes under Income Tax Act 25, no, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So why do we use this here?
See, Finance Act 2025 is still not, it is actually passed. The bill has been passed, but still the act is under process. But this, when this budget, in fact, this budget also, but it was 2026. This year is 2026. 1st February 2026. Nirmala Sitharaman presented the budget, and this budget was also applicable to all the changes which she had made. It was for 1961 Act only. And this was presented in 2025, 1st February 2025. So it was also for 1961 old law. And guys, I am telling you, the same section, the number is different, but the same thing is now written in Income Tax Act 2025 also. So it will be. So Sunita, to clear your doubt, so when she announced it, it was for old law only. But the same thing is now carrying, the section number is different, but the same concept, same 12 lakh concept, ditto it is written in Income Tax Act 2025 also, in the new law also. It is same.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Okay. Now, everyone. Now, guys, your normal income. Tell me what is the highest rate of tax of normal income? 30%?
30%.
Okay.
30%.
Okay. Guys, your LTCG is taxable at 12.5%. Let me assume 112 or even 112A also 12.5% only in excess of 125. Can I say normally that your LTCG is taxable at 12.5%? Even if you earn, let's say, even if you earn 1 crore rupees of LTCG, even if you earn 1 crore rupees of LTCG, how much you have to pay tax? 12.5%. Just take the example of other LTCG, let's say. So how much you have to pay tax on 1 crore? 12.5%. But here, if you earn 1 crore rupees beyond 24 lakh, that amount will be taxable at 30%. Are you all understanding it? So what I'm trying to say, that your LTCG 12.5% is actually nothing but a concessional rate of tax. It's a concessional rate. And guys, not only LTCG, even 111A is also concessional rate. Let's say, for example, you earn 10 crore rupees from 111A. How much tax you will pay? 20%. How much tax you will pay? 20%. Guys, how much would be the tax and amount? Let's say, forget about that exemption limit, 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh is nothing in front of 10 crore, right? Forget about that 4 crore rupees also. Please tell me, if you are earning, imagine, let's say Abhinav is earning 10 crore rupees from 111A. Abhinav, how much you will pay tax? 20% only, na? How much? 2 crores.
2 crores.
But if it is his normal income and he is earning 10 crore rupees of tax, guys, do you think it is 2 crores or much more than 2 crores? It is much more than 2 crores. Guys, if you will see 0 to 24 lakh, it is 3 lakh. If you will see, 4 lakh nil, 4 lakh 5%, 4 lakh 10%, 4 lakh 15%, you will find that up till 24 lakh, you are paying 3 lakh rupees of taxes. And beyond 24 lakh, how much? It is 976 lakh. Here it would be 30%. Can you tell me how much is the tax on 976 lakh 30%?
2 crore 92 lakh 80,000.
And plus 3 lakh. And plus 3 lakh this. So it would be around 3 crores. So around roughly 3 crores. I'm not calculating exactly. But if you earn 10 crore from 111A, you pay only 2 crore rupees of taxes. But if you earn 10 crore from normal income, you pay higher rate of taxes. Guys, can I say that this 111A, which is your special income, 112 long-term capital gain, which is your special income, at a rate of 12.5%, 111A 20%, and 112A 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. Guys, can I say that these are concessional rate of taxes? Yes or no? Especially for rich people, these are concessional rate of taxes. Why? Because normal taxes go 30%, but these taxes go only 12.5 for 20%. So if I will say that a person is earning some 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 60 lakh, so I would say that these are concessional rate of taxes. So these are concessional rate. And this is not concessional, guys, because here the tax can go beyond 30% also. It can go up to 30% also. This is not concessional. Guys, are you okay with this particular thing? Harini, are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? So these are concessional
Yes, sir.
rate. Why? Because the tax rate, even if you earn,
Yes, sir.
if you earn 20 lakh, you earn 30 lakh, you earn 40 lakh, you earn 1 crore, you can earn 10 crore, you can 100 crore. How much tax you have to pay on long term? 12.5. Whereas on this, you will end up paying 30% taxes. Now, Nirmala Sitharaman said that since you are already enjoying the benefit of concessional rate over here, we will not give you the rebate from these income. So if you have taxes from these income and also from casual income, see, casual income though we will not give any discount, because casual income is something which is windfall gains. That is special income. So what I can say, that she said that rebate will not be available from your special income. Why? See, casual income though you all understand why it will not be available, because it is casual, it is windfall gains. So they will say we need 30% taxes. You can't shoot them. You can't get discount from them. Understood na? So I was telling you na that casual income though you have to pay that tax 30% only, no less tax. So casual income, so you have to pay 30% tax only. You cannot ask for discount. And from these income also, please don't come and ask for discount, because we have already given you a discounted rate. Are you all understanding it or not? Everybody? So what
Yes.
it is, now come back. How much is the rebate? The rebate is tax on income, and now please write except tax on special income. You will not get rebate from special income taxes. So here, please write the note. The note was where you have left 1 or 2 lines. Please write the note over there. rebate under section 87A is not allowed from special income. Why not from special income? Because these rates are already discounted rate. So why you need one more discount? These rates are already discounted. Why you need one more discount? Casual income though, we will never give you discount. Casual income, you have to pay 30%. Now, have you written it? First of all, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
let us do some 2 or 3 examples slowly and then fast. Everybody. Now, there is a person who comes to your office again. Imagine this person is coming and he's saying, please calculate my taxes. So please compute the tax liability of Mr. Y. Nothing is mentioned, he is a resident. Obviously, he is a resident. Now he says that my PGBP income is, what is the full form of PGBP?
Profit or gain from business or profession.
Very good. Profit and gains from business and profession. He's saying my PGBP income is 6,50,000. So he's having a business from where this guy has earned 6,50,000 during this year. He's also having a capital gain of rupees 5 lakh and 111A is 2 lakh over here and 112 is 2 lakh 80,000. So this person is having total income of 11 lakh 50,000. Okay, just wait, analyze it. This person came to your office. He says, sir, ma'am, my total income is 11.5 lakh in this year. Okay, I'm an individual. Nothing is said. It means he's a resident. Okay, let's say I'm writing it also. Please write, guys. He's a resident. Nothing is mentioned. Resident only. But still, I have specified. His income is 11.5 lakh. He will say, I heard on the news channel that a person who has 12 lakh rupees of income, he is not supposed to pay taxes. Can you please tell me, is it right or wrong? For in my case, let us see. So he is sitting in front of you and he has an income of 11.5 lakh. And how he earned the income of 11.5 lakh? Analyze. He has a small business from where he earned 6,50,000 rupees of income. As well as he has a capital gain. What is 111A, guys? What is 111A? What is the nature of this income?
Short-term capital.
Equity shares, short term. First, instead of saying short term, first say equity shares, because it is very, very specific to equity shares which are short term, right? So equity shares income, short term. What is 112? Other long term income. So he might have sold gold, he might have sold, let's say, debentures, he might have sold land, he might have sold some building, and he has made a profit of 280 from that. Correct? 1150 is an income. Guys, everybody, compute his total income. Now, do we have special income also? Yes. What is the first special income? 111A. Do we have that? Yes. Second special income is 112. Do we have that? Yes. I'm so sorry. Third income is 112A. Do we have that or we don't have that? No. Leave it. Casual income we have? Leave it if we don't have. Now tell me the normal income.
6,70,000.
Very good. 6,70,000. So this is 111A is 2 lakh. 112 is 280. And this is the balancing figure 670. Everybody okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enya, Lisha, Menli,
Yes, sir.
Harini, everybody is okay? Good. Now, first of all, tell me, guys, please stick to your concepts. Whatever we are doing, please remember it. See, income taxes, there are very, very small things, and that you will actually will be able to do with practice. Now, first of all, guys, before jumping into your taxes, first of all, see, is there any unexhausted limit? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Guys, tomorrow or next class, I will merge unexhausted limit also. I can do it today also. I will merge unexhausted limit also. I will merge rebate also in that question. So please don't forget all the topics which we are doing. Income tax is just one topic, right? So all the chapters we would be doing, it is just one thing. So please, you have to remember everything. So now, is there any unexhausted limit? No. So no movement is
No, sir.
required. Now, triple 1A. How much is the tax on triple 1A? At rate of
20.
20%. Very good. 40,000 rupees. 112 at rate of 12.5%. Is it 35,000?
Sir.
How much is on this?
13,500.
13,500.
Very good. 13,500. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Now, tax on above. So tax on above is add everything. 88,500. 88,500. No issues.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
Is he eligible for rebate? Is he eligible for rebate? Go back to your notes. Go back to your notes and check. Go back to your notes and check. Is he eligible for rebate? Go very, very organized. Very, very organized, guys. Eligible for rebate or not? Is he a resident? Yes. Is he an individual? Yes. How much is his total income? Is it up till 12 lakh? Yes. Eligible for rebate. Eligible for rebate. Shankara, Rudra, Abhinaya, everybody
Yes,
with me?
sir.
Okay. Eligible for rebate? Yes. 100% eligible for rebate. Now, less. Rebate. What is the section number? 87,
87.
capital A. Not small a, guys, capital A. 80, and A is not in bracket. 87, capital A. Okay. What is the amount of rebate? A, B. What is A? Tax on income.
Tax on income.
And just not tax on income. What it is? Except tax on special income. Because we will not give you the rebate from your special income taxes. So please write it full. Tax on income except tax on special income. And what is the B amount, guys? 60,000. Fixed limit?
60,000.
Very good. Very good. Please tell me what is the tax on income except special income. So please don't add your don't take your special income taxes over here. So out of 88,500, how this 88,500 is made up of these three? 88,500 is made up of these three. Agree? Just delete your special taxes. Just don't consider your special taxes. I will not consider this. I will not consider this. It is 13,500. Everybody with me, 13,500.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very, very good. Any doubt anyone has? So I will not give rebate from my special incomes. Reason that special income are already discounted rates. So that is the reason. See, this, not all people know it. These are only we who chartered accountants who are, or where we do income taxes in detail whenever we study it, then only we can understand. So this person will get a rebate of how much? Whichever is lower, 13,500 is a rebate. This minus this. How much it is?
75,000.
75,000. plus 4% cess. How much is 3,000?
Yes, sir.
78,000 would be his tax liability. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now, what we have learned so far, that rebate is available only to resident individual whose total income is up till 12 lakh. If it is more than 12 lakh, no, sorry, you are not eligible for rebate, you are a rich person. But here you are eligible for rebate, but we will not give you the rebate from your special incomes. We will not give you the rebate from your special income. We will give you the rebate only from your normal income. Okay. One more example, and after that, I'll say you bye bye for today. Now, okay, guys, he will say, imagine, he will say that I have heard that up till 12 lakh, I don't have to pay taxes. You will say, yes, sir, you have heard it correctly, that up till 12 lakh, you don't have to pay taxes, but it is only big, if it is coming from your normal income. If it is coming from your special income, we will charge tax from you. Government of India will charge tax from you. Okay, so he has to pay 78,000 rupees of taxes. Example. Next example, quickly. Compute tax liability of Mr. C. Nothing is mentioned, he is a resident, but still I am mentioning it, that he is a resident. Okay, let me introduce, I believe that you guys are intelligent enough. Let me introduce your unexhausted limit also over here. Can I join it? Can I club unexhausted limit
Yes,
also?
sir. Yes, sir.
You guys are good enough. You will be able to do. It's not a problem. Now, he has salary income of 1,50,000. He has capital gains of 8,25,000. And this is coming from 111A is 60,000. 112 is, let's say, 90,000. 112A, just give me a moment. 650. His IFOS income is 1 lakh. And out of that, casual income is 90,000. So his total income is 150 plus 825 plus 1 lakh. So his total income is 10 lakh 75,000. Guys, his total income is not more than 12 lakh. Yes. And he is a resident. Yes. Eligible for rebate. Yes, eligible for rebate. Yes, eligible for rebate. Let us see how much rebate he can get. Guys, you want to try? Okay. I think that you will be able to do this in 3 minutes. Try. And let's say there is an MCQ and it is asking you that how much is the amount of rebate. Eligible for rebate, but now the question is how much is the rebate?
So we cannot put rebate for cash income, no, sir.
No. Casual income, so you have to pay taxes. No discount from that. No
Okay.
rebate from special income. No rebate from here. Only rebate from here. Guys, is it 185?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So is there any unexhausted limit? Yes. And he is a resident individual. The unexhausted benefit is given to resident individual or HUF. So he is a resident individual. So I'll take 60,000 from here, 90,000 from here. It will become 60 plus 90. And I need 65,000 more, na? Is it 65,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very good. This is 4 lakh. And now this is 0. This is 0. This is 5 lakh 85,000. This is 90,000. And this is 4 lakh. Now taxes. Here 0, here 0. Here how much is the tax? 12.5% in excess of 580. In excess of 125.
57,500.
7,500.
Very good. 57,500. 27,000 here.
Yes.
And here it is
Yes,
nil.
sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now how much is the taxes? Tax on above?
84,500.
84,500.
500.
Correct. So this is 84,500. Is he eligible for rebate? Yes, he is eligible. Now how much he will get? That is the question. So I believe he is getting 0. Let's A.
Yes, sir.
Rebate
Yes, sir.
under section 87A. A. Tax on above. But it should be except your special income taxes. B. 60,000, whichever is lower. So tax on above is 84,500, but please don't take your special income taxes. So this is special, this is special, this is special, this is special. So these are special. So 84,500 is special. We don't have to take it. So this will become how much? 0. So tax on above, excluding those special taxes, it has become 0. So 0 and 60,000, whichever is lower, is 0. So the rebate would be 0, and he has to pay 84,500 as his taxes plus 4% health and education cess.
87,880.
Correct. 87,880 would be the tax liability. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very, very good. So now we can wrap up for the day. There is a little more concept which is left in rebate that we will be continuing in the next lecture. I believe day after tomorrow we have the next lecture. So today what we have done is, now you all know how to compute taxes. Now you have an idea that what is unexhausted basic exemption limit also. This unexhausted benefit is given to whom? Non-resident also or only resident? Only to resident.
Yes, sir.
What type of assessee? Either individual or HUF. Unexhausted limit is available to both of them, to HUF also. Second concept which we have done is rebate. The section number is 87 capital A, and this rebate eligible assessee is only resident individual. Resident individual, not even HUF or not even any other assessee. It is only to resident individual, to a common person. They are giving a discount, and whose total income should not be more than 12 lakh. So if your income is more than 12 lakh, you will not get the rebate. There is a little bit to it that I will continue in the next lecture. And how much is the rebate you will get? Whatever is the tax on your income, or 60,000 maximum rebate you will get. Maximum rebate is 60,000. You cannot get more than 60,000 rebate. So whichever is lower, you will get it. But please you have to remember that rebate will not be from my special income taxes. It can be from my normal income only, not from my special taxes. Everybody okay with this? Any doubt? You can ask me. And guys, I'll be sending you a PDF today on the group, and you have to do question number 1. Guys, you will find that there is written over there assessment year, previous year. As of now, just ignore. Assessment year is written, previous year is written, just ignore. You will find that default regime is written over here, ignore. You will find default regime, optional regime. These all the words you will get to know in the next lecture. So wherever you will find the assessment year or default regime, just ignore that. You have to just compute your taxes. Just compute your taxes. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. No, in fact, I'm not sending you right now. Otherwise, you will unnecessarily get confused with those words, which I have to take in the next lecture. I will send you a normal PDF where I'll be giving you some 2 or 3 questions, right? So probably today at night or tomorrow in the morning, I'll be sending it to you. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye,
Thank
guys.
you, sir.
Take care. Bye-bye. Take care.